Multiple methods are available for submitting a payment to a report through the MyCPA system and web file. You may use a credit card, a web electronic fund transfer, which works like an electronic check, or for some filers, you will see the TextNet system listed on this page if you are required to file and pay electronically. You may choose to file a report with no payment, although it is advised that this will not complete the filing for that period, and you will need to choose the Make a Payment Only option on the main sales tax menu page before this period's responsibility will be concluded. Choose your preferred payment method, and then choose Continue. For this example, we've chosen to pay via electronic fund transfer. Under Type of Bank Account, blacken the circle to the right of the account which is appropriate. Beneath that, fill in the name as it appears on the bank account, the bank account routing number, which is generally the left number on the bottom of a check, the bank account number, which is generally to the right of the routing number on a check, and then fill in the bank account number again for verification. Beneath that, enter in the payment effective month, day, and year. The Controller's Office encourages taxpayers to avoid the rush by filing early with the option to pay at this time or by setting the effective date up to and including the due date. This report will be accepted on time as long as the payment effective date is by midnight of the date the report is due. After the payment effective date is entered, choose Agree and Continue. The next page will verify the electronic fund transfer entries which were entered on the previous page. Here, verify the amount to pay, the total web payment, the type of bank account, the name as it appears on the account, the bank routing number and account number, as well as the payment effective date. It is important to remember that the payment must be effective on or before the due date in order for this report to be counted as on time. If everything on this page is correct, choose the Submit Payment button at the bottom middle of the page. Finally, the confirmation page will appear. This transaction is not complete unless you see this page with confirmation written at the top. This page shows the responses which were entered on all previous pages. Keep this page in your records for at least 4 years from the time when this report was filed. If you wish to file for another report, you can choose the Return to menu or File for Another Taxpayer option at the bottom of the page. Thank you for participating in this web file demonstration.